This is Ovul, your AI fertility partner. A simple, scientifically backed method that turns your daily health tracking into a quick and enjoyable moment. How it works. Ovul analyzes your saliva for crystallization patterns, which change with your menstrual cycle, and helps you to track ovulation. Download the Ovul app in the App Store, by following link or by using the QR code. Open Ovul device. Just pull it up and it will open it. There is a sample glass on the bottom part of the analyzer. You will need to put your saliva drop here. Do not perform the test right after eating, drinking, smoking, or brushing your teeth. You should wait 30 minutes before doing the test to ensure accuracy. Now you are ready to start the test. Before each use, clean the sample glass on the bottom part of the analyzer with a cleaning cloth to remove dust. Use your clean finger to collect a small amount of saliva from under your tongue. And put it onto the glass. Closer to the center of sample glass and avoid bubbles. Close the Ovul and wait until the test is done. You will see the timer in the Ovul app. Check the result in the app. Ovul analyzes your saliva for crystallization patterns, which change with your menstrual cycle. Ovul AI will help you to interpret the results. You will see AI suggestions at the results page in the app. Ovul will track the patterns in your saliva. Here it is. Now you know how to use Ovul for tracking your ovulation. Ovul, your AI fertility partner.